everyone, in this episode, revival of submerged Karmann Ghia. So I was lucky and this week I received my new car. I bought it in Copart auction and it was written that it's a water damage car. The water was over the roof, so totally submerged. Plus it was standing for a while and I received now, so totally about 5 months this Karmann Ghia was, standing and rust was eating. But she's very important and needs to be saved. So as you can see, I just received this car, and with cars, its first impression is always very sad. But at the end of a project, I hope I will be happy, and you also, because you will get a lot of useful information. So as you can see from this video, the Karmann Ghia is really in bad shape. And front wheel was stuck and was very hard to unload the car. So first thing, I started to work on the front wheel to remove the wheel, put another one and release the stuck brake shoes. And very funny thing, I saw a very interesting detail, and already this Karmann Ghia journey gives me some, new experience, new stuff to learn. Removing the front wheel, I found out that the brake hub is very interesting. It says made in Japan. I haven't seen on all Volkswagens, especially this year in 60s, that would be made in Japan parts, but I know that this culture in Japan is on very high level. So next step was of course to remove the fuel tank, as it has a fuel mixed with water, just to get rid of this fluid and just start, that it can be breathed, because it's also have rust. And of course, the bad news is that the engine is stuck. So now it's in general complete, total, full project. I need engine, I need brakes, almost I need everything. And wiring also, I saw that already was changed, modified and so on. So wiring is also gonna be. And of course interior. So I haven't decided yet what kind of project this will be, because nowadays, to repaint the car costs a lot of money, and sometimes economically wise, not all projects are, profitable to do full restoration. We will see. By the way, but I am happy because one of the first restorations was Karmann Ghia. Here is the link. You can check how I did my first previous Karmann Ghia, and let me know what you think in comments in general about Karmann Ghia as a car. For me personally, it's one of the most beautiful cars from all of them, and it really has a charm, So the journey starts. Let's keep going. Today I will start to remove the engine, because I already found in my garage the spare block. I already checked, as you can see, that it spins, it has some compression, so I'm happy, and to start removing this old one and put the parts on another one and putting back together. Later we will come back to repair the brakes, and also you will see what I will do with the interior, because you can see now the car really needs love. So let's go with me. Time to start working. finally I did it. As you can see now, or in general you don't see it because I didn't film all the process. It took me 2 days. Honestly, it was a tough one. As you can see, the water did a significant damage to every part of this car. Engine, gearbox, you see the shaft of the gearbox stayed in the engine. And I couldn't do this. I removed all the 4 bolts, and all the accessories, as you saw, the exhaust and so on, but I couldn't dispatch from between the gearbox and engine because, as you see, all the rust and the water, you know what's happening? It's remove the oil, goes under the oil and rust, metal, water, oil. Oh, it's terrible, guys, it's terrible. Probably, as they say, you buy once a submerged car and later, you get a lesson for all your life. So, but the process is going on, and I already have ideas what I'm gonna do with this car. So I decided, not to repaint, not to do full restoration, to make it patina style car, but to fix everything technically. And this episode goes to the end because now I need some time to prepare the list of the parts I need to source. And also, on the next episode, I will go for the laser treatment. It's gonna be exciting. I never did before, but as I see, because the car was under the water, and now it has everywhere this surface rust. It is gonna be hard. So I decided to go for the laser treatment. So guys, stay on my channel, subscribe and like this video because next episode is gonna be epic with the laser treatment and so on. And I'm preparing the engine, and also now we'll source the gearbox and we'll see what I have to do. So will be engine, gearbox, all brakes, all bearings, all the mechanical stuff, interior, patina body style, maybe some accessories, some cool features, electric wiring, and so on. So I hope you liked this video, and greetings from Vilnius as always, and see you next time. Bye.